Hi there, how are you? Let's see what's new on the mGear 3.1. So the new features are basically three new components. We have this super long name called chain IK with variable fk and stack connection. We will go over this one in a few minutes. Then we have this new component chain net, that it creates a kind of a net, and it's meant to rig hair, but I think it can be used also for feathers and other stuff. We will see it in another video. And we have this light chain stack, and the reason because we have this one is because the original chain stack, it's really heavy. I've been working on this for some time now, and I did some setups and I found out that it was too much options, too much features, and if you go in high amount of these chains, it gets super heavy. So I created this new one that it's a very simple version of the previous one. So it depends on what you need and how many you want to use. Maybe you should choose this one, the light. Later we have the enhancements. So we have plenty of them. I want to especially credit this one here, the first one, to Chris. He did this amazing compression of the skin format, or the IO skin. So it takes, well, it's really small now, the file size of when we export and import the skins. I'm not gonna go over the process to export and import because this is didn't change, but here's a nice feature. Also, I want to thank Jerome. He did a few updates on this release, and especially the refresh on the toggle buttons and visibility controls on the synoptic. It's also something that was there for a long time without fixing it, and now it's fixed. Then well, I have here one enhancement for the new component that obviously it should be on the same, but because it was different tickets, it's logged here differently. And we have this custom step feedback that it's much better now. We will see it in another video. And well, some other features that are very interesting. Probably you can go one by one and when and check here, which is the component, sorry, the repo and the issue, so you can check what was changed on that thing. So I'm gonna go briefly in another video to what I think it's the most interesting updates here, but not so long. Okay, so let's continue with the next video with the new components. Thank you for listening.